Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of gold and silver. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, for a long time I have been receiving requests to upload on silver. To be honest, I was not an active trader of silver because more or less the movements of gold and silver were similar. So I was mostly trading on gold, or I used to only trade on gold. Okay. And I personally believe that as I was not trading on silver, so I should not upload as well. But because of many requests from people, I slowly started observing silver and I slowly started trading on silver as well. So I think it's time for me to upload on silver because I won't say that I have a very good grip, but I think, okay, I'm eligible enough to pass my comments on silver. So let's get started. So at first, let's look at the chart of gold, XAUUSD. Okay. So on the chart of gold, we can see that we have a correction going on. But if we look at the overall chart, this is the overall chart of gold. On the overall chart, we can still see the trend of the market is still very much intact, means the market is still very much bullish. But yesterday I mentioned to you guys that if you're a swing trader, position trader, okay, then try to exit below 2750, because if market drops further you will get a better discounted price. So if you have already exited from your swing position, well and good, no need to take anything right now. Let the meeting go away. Okay, after that you can jump again, because there will be volatility tomorrow. Market, not only gold or silver, okay, whole market, the global market is waiting for tomorrow's Federal Reserve meeting. Obviously, the traders are expecting that there will not be any change in the interest rates, but there will be volatility. So as a positional trader, swing trader, you should wait for the right time. So if you have already exited from your buy position, well and good, no need to take anything right now. And in this particular situation, it's better for the day traders to trade only. Okay. And overall trend of the market is still very much bullish. But if we focus on the present trend of the market right now, we can see that there is a structural change. What is the structural change here? Market is forming lower highs and lower lows. So yesterday we discussed about three support levels. The first support level was around here, around 274645 area, which gave us a very nice bounce. Then we discussed about 2740, I think. No, 2736. Okay, that did not work, but we got a very good bounce around 273031 area. So if you have any ongoing buy position right now, I will say that be careful. If gold breaks 2730, exit from the buy. Okay, because the overall chart may be bullish, but market is waiting for tomorrow's news. And right now the market structure is not very positive as a day trader. So if you're a day trader, if you prefer to trade from level to level, then you should focus on the present trend of the market, which is not positive. Okay, so if market tries to recover from here, as a day trader, you can look for a sell around 2752 and 2757. These are high risk levels only for scalpers. If you are a new trader, beginner, if you are in a tight spot, not in a position to take big risk, then you should avoid right now, because these levels, okay, are solely based on Fibonacci only. You can see here the first level of 2752 is a FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and 2757, 2758 is the FIBO 50% retracement level. So these two levels are for scalpers only, where you can expect 30 to 40 pips. Again, I'm repeating, these are the high risk sell opportunity. Okay. And as the present structure of the market is not very positive, so if market breaks 2730, our yesterday's support, we can look for a sell below it as well, because market is forming lower lows. It would be better for us to go for a sell during the European session or US session, because US session brings volume. For example, right now if you go for a sell, then it will be a small candle. During the US session, if we go for a sell, it will be a big red candle, and it will be very beneficial for us. On the chart of gold right now, I see two buy position, not buy position, I will say two support levels. Okay, the first support is around 2700, 2702 because of previous support around this area, and obviously 2700 is a round number, it's a psychological support. Okay, so 270002, I think I will be much more comfortable taking a buy on 270002. But before 270002, we have another support around 27172711, the blue box here. Okay, the blue box is also a support zone. Why? Because of market taking support around this area previously, and the previous resistance will be working as support. So far we have observed that things are not working very much. Okay, but the price action is doing a pretty fine job. So if we go by the price action, we have a support around 2711, 2710. But okay, this whole zone is a support for the market. So if you see during the day market is coming down, then observe the market around 2717, 1615 area. इसके आसपास ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. If you see the market is showing price rejection from below, market is showing signs of bounce, then you can look for buy as well. But keep in mind, whatever you do, all these are for scalping and day trading only, not to hold your positions, because tomorrow we have a big day and this is not the ideal time to hold any positions. So let me repeat again, the overall trend of the market is still very much bullish. There is no doubt about it. But if we observe the present trend of the market here, we can see that there is a structural change and market is little bearish. So as a day trader, we need to focus on the present trend of the market, which is little bearish. But tomorrow is a big day for us, so we are not expecting a complete trend reversal. More or less, we can expect the market to remain within a range only. Clear? So during the day, if market falls because market is forming lower lows, lower highs, we can look for a support around 270002. Before that, we also have a support around 2717, 2711. If market tries to go up, as market is forming lower highs, we can also look for a sell around 2752, 275859 area as well. But one thing I would like to mention here is that, so whatever we have discussed so far, all the levels are not very highly reliable. Sometimes we have very strong support, sometimes we have weak support. The levels we have right now are not very strong right now. Okay, so be careful, do not go for big lot sizes. And if we look at the economy calendar, we have a news coming up during the US session. Not a big event to change the direction of the market, but yes, there will be spikes in the market, so be careful. My dear friends, I also received many requests regarding Forex brokers. If you are frustrated with your Forex broker looking for a good reliable option, you can visit my website. You will find few options here. You can consider any one of them. They are very much regulated, safe, and the offers are also very good. Feel free to check out, okay, all the options here. Okay, and if you're, especially if you're from India, अगर आप India से हो, okay, go with Star Trader, because all the options, okay, they are providing for Indians are extremely good. Okay, now let's talk about silver, my first video on silver. So if you look at the daily chart of silver, my dear friends, we can see that in general the market is bullish. There is no doubt about it. Okay, but if we just zoom in, see, I'm on a daily chart. If we zoom in, we can see that on daily also, overall chart may be bullish, but things are not very positive right now, because on a daily also we can see that the market structure or the significant highs of the markets are lower highs here. So if market drops also, you should not be surprised. If there is a trend reversal in the next couple of days, you should not be surprised, because already we are getting an indication that slowly the buyers are losing their strength. Okay, anyways, tomorrow we have a big day, so we will be looking for day trades only. And if we focus on the present trend of the market, we can see that we have a sideways market. What? Sideways market. Okay, overall trend is sideways, but market is still very not positive. Okay, so again I'm repeating, overall chart may look bullish, this chart may look sideways, but slowly the buyers are losing their strength. We can clearly see from the structure of the market. Right now already we can see the market is forming lower highs here. So as a day trader, okay, we need to focus on this particular portion of the market. So if market tries to recover during the day, we can look for a sell position around 30.36. This is our first selling opportunity, and our second selling opportunity will be around 30.52. These are the two levels where we can look for a sell position as a day trader. Why are we considering these two levels? Let me show you. Okay, here we are simply using FIBO here. This is our FIBO 50% retracement level. Okay, and this is our FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, we can also see we have the dynamic resistances. So in comparison, 30.51, 30.52 is a better level to go for a sell position. If you ask me, okay, Abhilash, why will you go for a sell? I will be going for a sell around 30.5 to not 30.36. But sometimes the upside is very weak. Sometimes market fails to go up. In that case, you can look for a sell around 30.36 as well. And we have a very significant support around 29.60 to 29.50. So if you see during the day market is falling, okay, if you see market is falling, then as a day trader you can look for support around this level as well, because if market breaks 29.50, there will be a considerable amount of selling pressure. So I think the buyers around 29.6050 will fight for revival. They will fight to take the market up. So as a day trader, you can look for a buy position if you see the market is trying to take support. On the other hand, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure, market has formed a big red candle here, then obviously you need to use a common sense. Okay, you need to avoid. But otherwise, I think there's a high chance that the buyers around 29.6050 will give their best fight. And as a day trader, we can look for buy. Buy as well. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.